Good morning. It's Saturday, March 14th. Yesterday, the province announced that 6 new cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed in Alberta, bringing the confirmed number to 29. The province is taking more steps to protect Albertans, including cancelling events and restricting travel. They also announced that they are amending the regulations for EI, extended sick leave from 5 to 14 days, and removing the need for employees to have a medical note to take sick time. More information about these changes is available at www.alberta.ca/COVID-19. Here in Chestermere, we are also taking action. I am here with our Director of Emergency Management and CAO, Mr. Bernie Morton, who will tell you more about our measures. Mr. Morton.
Thank you, Mayor Chalmers. Obviously, the COVID-19 situation is fluid and continues to be ever evolving. Here in Chestermere, our team continues to act and to evolve our response, and is also taking steps to protect our community, staff, and operations. Due to the seriousness of the situation, we're taking additional measures to protect our community and to reduce the risk of exposure for our staff and for all visitors. Effective Monday, March 16th, all city buildings will be closed to the public except for the RCMP detachment and the Eco Centre. They will keep their regular hours. By making these changes, we can ensure that we will be able to continue to provide municipal services to the people of Chestermere in the weeks to come. Municipal services such as financial services, social support services, parent support services, development and building permits, and all other services offered out of City Hall will continue via online at chestermere.ca or by emailing info@chestermere.ca and by calling 403-207-7050. You can also ask questions via the Facebook Messenger app. Payments by check can also be made via the drop box on the south side of City Hall. A full contact list of how to get in touch with specific departments is available again on our website at chestermere.ca. If you do visit the RCMP detachment or the Eco Centre, please note that any risk of exposure is very low to the public and to our staff given the nature of their operations. However, if you're not feeling well or are ill, you should not visit. As the Director of Emergency Management, I also recommend that our local businesses and organizations take steps to carefully evaluate their operations and planned events. We have resources and recommendations for these community leaders on our website, and we urge you to take special precautions to keep your visitors, students, patrons, and staff safe. Earlier this week, an email was sent to groups and to organizations with recommendations and measures to keep their employees safe, as well as their clients and customers. Today, an updated communiqué will be addressed to the Chamber of Commerce and to local businesses. As always, we also urge all Chestermerians to take precautions and preventative measures to protect themselves and their families. Yesterday, the province's Chief Medical Officer reiterated the importance of hand washing and sanitizing surfaces, and we ask that all Chestermerians make this your priority. Here in Chestermere, we remain steadfast in our effort and measure to reduce the risk of exposure of the virus to the public, our staff, and visitors. All information about our local response can be found again at chestermere.ca, and we encourage you to visit regularly for updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Morton. Our council meeting on Tuesday evening will continue and will be broadcast on our city's website, but closed to the general public. We have also been in contact with the Chestermere Regional Recreation Center to ensure that their required protocols are in place and that communication has been made to the users. At this stage, I am satisfied with their proactive measures. Given that the province has decided to keep schools open for the foreseeable future, Mr. Morton has emailed the Chief Medical Officer of Health for Alberta and urged her to immediately enforce the safety and sanitary measures issued by the World Health Organization related to schools and the protection of our children. Furthermore, we have been in touch with EPCOR and the City of Calgary in regard to our utility services and their emergency plans, and I'm comfortable with the actions they are taking. I will continue to provide regular updates to you, our citizens, as this COVID-19 situation continues to unfold. Thank you to all of our citizens and businesses for your active diligence and awareness in keeping our community safe.